Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to Only Mods. So in this video, we will be giving you guys a little update on a new car, as you can see here, that we will be modifying on my channel. So this is just a stock BMW X5. It's a 2010 model. It's a 3-litre diesel, the X-Drive. To be honest, I'm not a big fan of these cars, but I did a bit of research and you can make these look pretty nice. They've got a lot of power, which is good. I'm pretty sure it's like 230 horsepower stock. But yeah, I've got some good ideas with this car that will obviously make it look a lot better, and then hopefully hit those performance side of things as well. But obviously the Polo is not going anywhere. I'll still be doing a few mods on this Polo, which is where I've built the foundation of my YouTube channel on. But in the meantime, we still have a few things to do on this Polo. There's a few mods that I've done that was like a bit half-assed. Doesn't turn out nice. So like, for example, the tint over here, I'm gonna have to redo the tint. The headliner with the starry headlights starting to sag, as you can see here. So I'm gonna have to rip all of that out and redo the headliner. But other than that, we've got the X5 now. So yeah, I've got a few more ideas that I'm gonna do with this car, but I'll chuck up a photo. So this is ultimately what I want it to look like. We're gonna wrap it black, put a new body kit around it. Yeah, change out the headlights, put some, basically just murder it out, make it look all black and sick. We obviously don't have the one with the thick wheels in the back. I'm pretty sure that's the M model. These wheels are pretty thin, but we will be updating everything. So this car's gonna be like, personally, my goal with this channel is to make whatever car we have, that being the best looking car in Western Australia of that car. So I mean, personally, this Polo looks pretty good. I think this is the best looking 1.2 2012 Polo on the block, well, technically on this side of the country. And that's exactly what we're going to be doing with the BMW X5. So the reason we bought this car is because this Polo is actually a bit too small to fit 2 baby seats, whereas this car has plenty of room. I've got my son's baby seat in here. You know, we had to upgrade because I've got a little girl on the way. We're very blessed, and her baby seat fits in there perfectly, and we've got enough leg room in the front and in the passenger and driver side. And my son's comfortable here, my daughter will be comfortable there. We've got plenty of room, and then we've got plenty of boot space as well. So that's the reason we bought this car. Polo is just too small, the end of an era, but it's not going anywhere. But yeah, first mod of the channel, well, first mod of the series for the BMW X5 will be some new headlights. Let's get to it. All right guys, so these are the headlights we will be installing on the X5. As you can see, they're a lot better than the stock ones. These look really nice. The DRLs are gonna look mean. I'm not entirely sure if they work because I actually bought these from a wrecker. Brand spanking new, they're 1,700 bucks. I did not have that kind of money to be wasting on headlights. So I picked these up secondhand, $750, and they came with a pair of blackout grills, which I will install in a different video. But yeah, let's get into installing them. Okay guys, so like most people do, I actually resorted to YouTube University to try to sort out and figure out how to remove this front headlight. It's a lot harder than the Polo. The Polo is like 2 bolts and the thing pulls out, but this thing, I'm gonna have to remove this arch lining, the inside fender, as well as remove a bracket in there that holds the headlight in place so that I can slide the headlight out. So yeah, let's get to it. All right, now that we're inside the wheel guard, I need to remove this bracket, this little T-piece, to get access to the headlight to remove it easily. So let's remove some bolts, get the headlight out. the frick am I trying to push up? Alright guys, so that looks awesome. This headlight looks amazing compared to the stock. That just looks so fresh. Gives the whole car a new look compared to the old DRLs. You can barely see them. Whereas these DRLs look amazing. So now I just need to put that one in. Should be a lot easier and quicker because I know what to do now. So let's get that done. And just like that. Man, this car looks so good now compared to what it used to look like with those old ugly lights. Look at that. Come on. Yeah, look. This car is gonna look mean when we're done with it. So if you guys haven't liked, comment, subscribe, please do so. Follow the BMW X5 BUILD. This thing's gonna be a machine when we're done with it because I want to make it the ultimate dad mobile. Yeah, because I'm a dad of two now, so we need a family SUV and this is gonna look sick when we're done with it. So hit that subscribe button and we'll see you guys on the next one.